Hi there and welcome again to inkitdesigns. Let's continue with our video. Before you all proceed on this one, make sure you have checked the part 1 of this video. Link to part 1 is at top right corner of the screen. Let's get started. Add the button from the assets and now let's create a divider. Let's duplicate the button and start adjusting in button options. So let's name this dashboard, change the icon and turn off the notification. Same goes with this. Change the text to explore, change the icon and turn off the notification. Now Ctrl+T to duplicate it. OK. Grab the frame and turn it into vertical layout. Now adjust the space in between. Now duplicate this and pull it to the bottom. Now remove the logo and remove the hamburger and adjust the profile icon in it. Duplicate the slider and name it as closed. Select the button and switch it to closed default. Shift and click all these buttons and switch it to closed default. Change this frame to fixed height and switch off the visibility of the logo. Select all the frames and position it to the left. Also change all of it to the hug. Now we will change the whole frame to hug. Change this one to hug also. Check that the element's position is matching up in both of the frames. Grab both of the frame and turn it into a component. Now go to prototype menu, click on hamburger menu and drag it to this frame and set the settings as accordingly. Now place the cider. And here we go, our collapsible cider is ready. If you like the video, just like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will come up with more exciting videos. Stay connected.